Hi everyone, it seems a lot of us like a good unboxing of our friend's latest craft stash. So here we go. This is my latest bargain haul from the Works, which is a bargain stationery, art materials and bookshop in Britain. I don't know if you all have this abroad, but I'm sure you have similar sort of things. So I wanted to share this stash with you. Now stay tuned because I have to share the weirdest thing I bought with you later. So that'll be at the end of the video. Right, let's see what I've got. Hey folks, Coronation coming in Britain, and so as you can see I've got a Union flag bag. Little fact about the British flag. People call it the Union Jack. It should only be called a Union Jack when it's on a ship. Otherwise it's a Union flag. The other thing is people often put them up the wrong way. If you want to know which is the correct way to put them up, then you want the widest white stripe there to the top left of your flag. If you put it upside down, that means you're in distress. So yeah, well done the Works, where I got this bag from, because they've got it the right way up. Wonderful. Now I promised you a quick walkthrough of all the bargain stuff I got from the Works with the Coronation in mind. So here we go. Don't know what I'm going to do with half of this stuff. First of all, I got a cake stand. Now, my thought was this might be quite handy for displaying some of my stuff at Model Railway exhibition that I do the trade stand at each year. As you can see, it was only £3 and it's made of cardboard, so cheap and cheerful. But well done the Works, that's kind of cool. Anyway, that's fun. For anyone not in the UK, I don't know if you have the Works in your country. It's a cheap stationery and bookstore, and they do a certain amount of art materials as well. So, and some of them do cross over into being kind of adult proof as well. So this is a set of little rubber stamps. As you can see, we've got the flag in 2 pieces. We've got phone boxes, letter boxes, a crown, a London bus, teapot, obviously time for tea, and you've got some stamps with it. So we've got black, blue and red. Obviously if you're working onto white, you don't need the white to do red, white and blue. And £3. Bargain. Right, there's another stamp. Sorry if you can hear glugging noises in the background, by the way. That is my fish tank. I'm in my dining room, so the fish are all looking over my shoulders. Right, this is one that's not actually to do with the Coronation, but in this country, I don't know if the rest of the world's like it, we're all getting a bit obsessed with bee conservation. And the Works had also got this. As you can see, this was only £3 as well. But we've got all honeybee stamps, which I think are really nice, very detailed. And you've got your coloured ink pads to go with that as well. So I grabbed that while I was at it. Little pad of really cute bee paper. Now, some of you will know that, I don't know if you've tried this yet, but you can put paper into resin. So that is kind of what I had in mind with that. So that's bees. Right, back to Coronation stuff, I think. Yeah, stickers. Took £1.50. Fun little stickers. Now these have got white surrounds when you peel them out, so I don't know how useful they're going to be for resin. I just thought they were rather sweet. And you can't have too many Union flags. Oh look, done the gherkin. That's a famous building in London, for anyone who doesn't know. And yeah, they've done all that red, white and blue as well. More little cabs, umbrellas. That's particularly appropriate for Britain, as some of you might know. We do get a bit of rain here. So those. The little paper pads, again, like with the bee one, we've got paper that I put into my resin. We've got London Underground logos. We've got little buses. We've got all the teapots and umbrellas and things again, and post boxes. And then just some nice, now these are going to be useful come Valentine's Day, aren't they? The red, white and blue hearts. Back to the London theme. Red, white and blue stripes. And more little red, white and blue hearts. So that's those. Now, I got a bit more random after this again. And I got some other things while I was there. These, I think, are an amazing little bargain. They're very cheaply made. But it's just a little wooden sign. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but it was only £2. So this may become a sign for my stuff at the exhibition, or it may become something that I could possibly sell. I'm thinking of making, you know, as my stand will be at a model railway exhibition, maybe I could put something little train stuff on it or whatever. And similarly, this little wooden box. But with the little wooden box, I am going to try to resin it. But look at the price on that, £1.50. Isn't it cute? So yeah, I should be doing something sort of a bit decoupage-ish, I think. And then resin coating it, and it'll probably be model railway themed, or I don't know. I might do a fantasy theme instead, put a little dragon on it. Don't know yet, but that's that. Now the other thing I really wanted to show you this. I thought this was useful. Now you're going to think I've gone mad here. You'll see I've opened this and taken one out. But this was £3 as well. It's out of the kiddies section, and it's modelling foam. And I just thought, what the hell's that? I want some, and I don't know why. I think it's partly because there was a purple one. That could have been it. Anyway. This is what it's like when you get it out. Now I've squished this one down. This was the green one, obviously, and I've squished it, and this is what it does. Now, as you can probably hear, can you hear that? It's sticky. So I'll show you with I don't know, random bottle top I've got here, what I have used this for so far. So I can stick it in, I haven't got a silicone mat under here, but it sticks to a silicone mat. So if you've got something that you want to hold upright to work on, let's say it's a spherical thing, or a, you know, something like this that's rounded, and you want to hold it still, you can just do that. Now, isn't that amazing? It's tacky, so as you can see, it's sticking to it a bit, but it's just holding it in place. So, any crafters out there in the UK or anywhere else where they stock this sort of thing, because it might be that you can buy this in other shops in America and wherever, I don't know. Can I just recommend it? I mean, it was £3. What's that? That's not even, I don't think that's even $4, is it? And you'll be able to use it and use it and use it. And I don't know about you, but I'm always finding this problem when I need something to hold things, and I end up balancing them in the top of moulds, sticking them down with blue tack, all sorts of things. That is just amazing, because you can do that again, and it doesn't dry out. I bought this, it's about 3 or 4 weeks ago now, and it's been on the side in my craft room like this to see what it did. You can hear the tackiness. And all that's happened is each time I squish it, I must be squishing it a bit smaller, look, because it has shrunk from the originals. There's got to be other uses for this. Let me know if you think of any. I'm thinking it could make the edges of, you could make the edges for a mould with it or something, but it's going to have bumpy, bubbly edges. There's got to be a lot of uses for that. I'm thinking of perhaps putting it in the bottom of a mould like an inlay, so I get like a bubble effect. That might be a good idea, mightn't it? Anyway, I had to share that with you because I just thought that was awesome. So there we go. My coronation and other random things stash from the works. And there we go. Hope that gives you some ideas and also a bit of a heads up on the things that I'll be making for you over the next couple of weeks. See you soon.